so despite the previous research we did where we found out that this was supposed to be for oil on some other models of jackhammers, FYI, this did not come with a manual. We did put 4-stroke motor oil in here, thinking that that's what it was supposed to be, and we have the 2T oil mixture with the gasoline in here, thinking that this would hold the oil to lubricate the jackhammer and this would keep the motor running, but that is not the case. So do not put any oil in here. As much as this is able to be unscrewed and stuff is able to be poured into it, do not put any oil in here. Just put the 2T oil mixture, which is you know, whatever brand you have available. This is in Haiti, so you know it's not a name brand thing, but whatever, it works. Put that mixture with the gasoline like we did with the measuring gallon in here, and it siphons down into here. The first time I did this, it actually didn't show here. This is why I thought that this needed a separate oil, but yeah, it totally works now. So let's try this again. All right, cool. So we figured it out finally. So we turn it on, put the start position here, we pull this lever down, and
Is there a choke?